National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Turkey Point, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 48 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spessooty Island, Aberdeen Proving Ground, and Delaware Grace.